ZEKS Refrigerated Compressed Air Dryers in Georgia. Specialized air treatment for large compressed air systems. Compressed air includes moisture and other impurities that must be removed to avoid damage to tools, instruments, and pneumatic valves. Not removing these impurities can adversely affect critical finishing and manufacturing processes, causing production downtime and product waste. ZEKS Refrigerated Compressed Air Dryers in Georgia combine multiple air treatment units for the removal of oil, contaminants, and moisture in very large compressed air systems. True cycling. The ZEKS advantage. Typical manufacturing practices. Changing production requirements and process machinery cycling results in uneven compressed air volume use, in combination with lower inlet and ambient air temperatures. This creates a variable, reduced load on a compressed air dryer. ZEKS established the thermal mass refrigerated dryer design and true cycling process that efficiently stores cold energy, allowing the dryer refrigeration compressors to turn off during periods of reduced load. During this time, the dryer preserves the capacity to remove contaminants and moisture from the airstream, as compared to non-cycling dryers. These dryers provide substantial energy savings, sometimes as high as 80%. Eliminate the need for multiple dryers. ZEKS Refrigerated Compressed Air Dryers in Georgia are an assembly of multiple air treatment segments, each with stainless steel heat exchangers, a cycling refrigeration system, and an efficient whirlpool separator and no air loss drain. The design allows users to uphold dryer operation even when one of the refrigeration systems is taken offline for maintenance. When sized properly, the dryer outlet pressure dew point will not be affected if a single module becomes de-energized. Dependable operation. ZEKS Refrigerated Compressed Air Dryers in Georgia are built to tolerate extreme conditions that exist in typical manufacturing facilities. To ensure a long service life, they include high-quality refrigerant compressors, generously sized air or water condensers, extremely efficient thermal mass solution, coordinated digital control, no air loss drains, consistent pressure dew point. Each module includes a pump that distributes a thermal storage solution throughout the dryer for level distribution of the stored energy to all modules. Flow is maintained even if the pump of a single unit is disabled. The standard of excellence for heat exchanger design. ZEKS patented heat exchangers have been engineered specifically for compressed air dry. The unique design features 100% stainless steel construction, low pressure drop, 3-5 times more flow area, greater fouling resistance, higher energy efficiency, an exclusive 10-year warranty, expandable and versatile. All multiplex units share a single outlet and a single inlet air header, each with dual connection ability, which offers connection to either side of the dryer. In addition, ZEKS Refrigerated Compressed Air Dryers in Georgia are engineered to tackle the ever-changing manufacturing environment. Convenient access for service. The design encourages uninterrupted operation by providing unhindered access to parts that need to be serviced. Each unit includes an electrical disconnect, which allows service on an individual module while the balance of the dryer stays energized. If you would like more information regarding ZEKS Refrigerated Compressed Air Dryers in Georgia, or would like to determine if it's the best option for your application, contact us today to get started.